Hello, good evening students. Let us try to understand the problem. Out of molar entropy, okay, specific volume, heat capacity, volume, extensive properties are, okay. So they are asking, dear student, extensive, if you talk about extensive properties, okay. So if you talk about extensive properties, student, so they are mass dependent. They are what, student? Mass dependent. They are mass dependent. So dear student, if they are mass dependent, how you will be able to solve? Okay, so dear students, if you see molar entropy, okay, molar entropy, no? So they are the first one, they are saying that is molar entropy, molar entropy. And second point is what is there is specific volume. This is the specific volume, okay, specific volume. And next one is there heat capacity. Next one is heat capacity, heat capacity, okay. Next one is what is there, student? Heat capacity, volume. Last one is volume. So dear student, they are asking which is the extensive, okay. So if the suppose student, it is the total volume, okay. If total volume, if you are dividing this, which will become half, whichever will become half, dear student, that will be our extensive properties. So let us have a look, student, which one is becoming half. So if it is mass dependent, if it is becoming half, that is the extensive, okay. If it is becoming half, it is the extensive. If it not becoming half, that will be the intensive. Dear student, if you talk about molar entropy, molar means that is 1 mole, okay. Molar means 1 mole. So definition is already there, your volume is already specified, mass is it's already specified. How much, student? 1 mole. So if mass is specified 1 mole, mass is specified 1 mole, so that is what will be known as, the student, if it is 1 mole, if it is 1 mole, so that will be what? Intensive, okay. So that is molar entropy, because you cannot change the molar, 1 mole you cannot change. So molar entropy, if you talk about this, will be the what, student? That is will be intensive. Specific volume, specific volume means the volume of 100 gram substance, volume of 100 gram substance. So if you talk about the volume of 100 gram substance, so it is already fixed, student, 100 gram is fixed. So this is also specific volume is also fixed, student, okay. Heat capacity, heat capacity is the energy needed to raise the temperature of substance by 1 degree. So they didn't say about the mass anything, so it will be the mass dependent. So that is heat capacity, heat capacity is extensive property. But if you talk about, student, molar heat capacity, specific heat capacity, this will be the intensive properties. But normal heat capacity, it is the mass dependent, so it will be the extensive. Volume, so volume, total volume is 100, if you are dividing half, it will be the half will be. So volume is also the mass dependent. So volume and heat capacity are extensive properties. So which is correct option, student? Volume, that is third, and heat capacity fourth. Third, fourth are that is extensive. So correct option is option number D. Here let us read out, student. In extensive properties, you see, it depends on the amount of matter present in the system. Mass, volume, heat capacity, enthalpy, entropy. Here they are saying that is intensive properties do not depend on the amount of matter present in the system. Pressure, temperature, density, melting point and boiling point. So you can have the look here, student. Heat capacity and volume are the extensive properties. Heat capacity and volume are extensive properties. Heat capacity and volume are extensive properties. So you can see that which is our required answer, student, option number D. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.